आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ जिसका टॉपिक है एथिकल इश्यूज ऑन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सबसे पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। जैसे ही मैं कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा। और प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करें। तो चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं वीडियो के साथ। एथिकल इश्यूज ऑन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड। Ethics refer to the accepted principles of right or wrong that govern the conduct of a person, the members of a profession, or the actions of an organization. Often a function of differences in economic development, politics, legal system, and culture. Certain practices country may be unethical when judged by the other country's Western standards. Most common ethical issues involve employment practices, human rights, environmental regulations, corruptions, and the moral obligation of MNC. Source and nature of ethical issues employment practices. When work conditions in a host nation are clearly inferior to those in a multinational home nation, what standards should be applied? Those of the home nation, those of the host nation, or something in between? Example, Nike in Vietnam. International business implications. Establish minimal acceptable working standards and audit foreign subsidiaries and subcontractors on a regular basis. Source and nature of ethical issues human rights. Rights that we take for granted in developed nations such as freedom of association, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom of movement, freedom from political repression, and so on are by no means universally accepted. Example, South Africa until 1994, China's human rights record, Myanmar, formerly known as Burma, Royal Dutch Shell in Nigeria. Source and nature of ethical issues in environmental pollution. Ethical issues arise when environmental regulations in host nations are inferior to those in the home nation. Should a multinational feel free to pollute in a developing nation? Tragedy of the commons occurs when individuals overuse a resource held in common by all. Example, foreign oil companies in Nigeria, Coca-Cola plant in Kerala. Source and nature of ethical issues in corruption. Corruption has been a problem in almost every society in history, and it continues to be one today. Corruption is bad and it may harm a country's economic development, but and it may harm sorry guys. But there are also cases where payments to government officials can remove the bureaucratic barriers to investment that create jobs. Example, Bofors case, Enron. The the US Foreign Corrupt Practices Act of 1977, Convention of Combating Bribery of Foreign Public Officials in International Business Transaction, OECD 1997. Source and nature of ethical issues, moral obligations. Social responsibility for MNCs to give something back to the societies that enable them to prosper and grow. Example: BP company policy to undertake social investment in the countries where it does business. Sometimes multinationals may abuse their power for private gain. Example: the British East India Company in 1600s. Source and nature of ethical issues, dilemma. What is accepted ethical principle in international business perspective? Argument 1. Ethics depend upon one's culture perspective. American and European views on capital punishment. Ethical dilemmas. They are situations in which none of the available alternative seems ethically acceptable. Employing child labor was not acceptable, but neither was denying the child his/her only source of income. Why do managers behave in an unethical manner? There are following reasons why the managers behave in an unethical manner. They can be personal ethics, organization culture, unrealistic performance goals, leadership or decision making process in the organization. Determinant of ethical behavior. Personal ethic. Personal ethic code exerts a profound influence on business ethic. An individual with a strong sense of personal ethic is less likely to have in an unethical manner in a business setting. Personal ethics comes from sources like our parents, our schools, our religion, and the media. Determinant of ethical behavior. Decision making process. People simply forget that business decisions may also have an important ethical dimension. Most often, ethical considerations are not incorporated into business decision making. Example: Pizza's drunk testing strategy in Nigeria, Nike's subcontracting decision. Determinants of ethical behavior. Organization culture. Business climates sometimes do not encourage people to think through the ethical consequences of business decision. All decisions are purely economic in nature. Profit maximization. Example: case of former Enron CEO Kenneth Lay. Values are abstract ideas about what a group believes to be good, right, and desirable, while norms are the social rules and guidelines that prescribe appropriate behavior in a particular situation. Determinants of ethical behavior. Unrealistic performance expectations. Pressure from the parent company to meet unrealistic performance goals that can be attained only by cutting corners or acting in an unethical manner. This creates a pressure cooker culture. Example: lesson from the Enroll debacle. Conversely, an organization culture can do just the opposite and reinforce the need for ethical behavior. Example: Hewlett Packard, the HP way. Determinants of ethical behavior. Leadership. Leaders help to establish the culture of an organization and they set the example that others follow. Example: Enron and Hewlett Packard. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like my channel, please subscribe my channel, and please bell the bell icon for further notification. Please subscribe.